In order to shut down your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, what you can do first is open the power menu, which can be done by, for example, using the button shortcut. So you can press the power button and volume down button. So press and hold both of these buttons. And then you should open this power menu, and then you can press power off and then once again tap on power off icon in order to turn off your device. The second method, if you don't want to use buttons, you can go to the quick settings. So on the right side of the phone, swipe from the top towards the bottom, and then over here you will find the power button. You can tap on it in order to also open the power menu. And if you don't have anything assigned, if you don't have the assistant assigned to the power button, then instead of using the power button and volume down button, you can simply press and hold the power button in order to also open the power menu. But that is, once again, if these assistants are not enabled and assigned to that button. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.